As you know, a large portion of my income depends on me being able to speak clearly. And when I have a sore throat, I need to get rid of it pretty fast in order to keep bringing you quality content. Well, recently I was experiencing a particularly painful sore throat, and I spoke with my doctor, and he shared with me this wonderful trick that I wanted to share with you all. I know so many of you are struggling with colds and flu and sore throat, and today happens to be Christmas Day, and I thought you could use some quick relief to enjoy time with your family during this holiday season. So I'm going to share with you what the doctor shared with me, and I can attest that it does work, and there are ways to make it even more effective. I'll share those as well. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on Sawdust and Cornbread. If this is your first time, I sure am glad to have you here with me. If you're a returning guest, welcome back. There's nothing worse than having a terrible sore throat where when you swallow, it's just like pins and needles. Some people even call it razor blade throat now. It hurts to even swallow. And you can do traditional things like over-the-counter acetaminophen and ibuprofen and that type of thing. But there is a way to get instant relief that I was not aware of until recently, and it includes a therapy using alternating liquids. The first thing you want to do is make a steaming hot beverage of some type. Now, coffee, hot cocoa, tea, all of those things work. But if you want an added bonus, you could use one of the antioxidants and antiviral type teas. That would be great, just as hot as you can stand it without scalding your throat. And you want to sip on that for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then you want to get a tall glass and fill it with ice, and fill that glass with your favorite cold beverage. That could be tea, ice water, juice, anything like that. Anything that is tasty and refreshing when it's cold. And you're going to sip on that for 20 to 30 minutes. Just keep alternating between those. The doctor explained the reason that this works is the heat helps everything in your throat expand, and it extracts anything that's in there that may be causing the pain or irritation, maybe drainage. And then the cold is going to help contract, and so it's causing everything to open up and close and open up and close, and it works out a lot of the drainage and bacteria, and it goes to the source of the problem. And it's also very soothing. I hope you find this sore throat soother and quick relief helpful during this holiday season and year round whenever you're watching this. It is effective, and if you do it regularly a few times during the day, you'll find that you have much more tolerable pain. And I pray blessings and healing over you. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time. God bless.